More about space? Very cool choice. Let's let Imra tell you or tell us about the things that we've sent up into space and have come back.
Hi everyone and welcome to our space area on our exhibition floor. Today we are going to learn about space travel, about space debris and about a very special cosmonaut. So if you look behind me, we have a life-size replica of the Russian Soyuz spacecraft that Mark Shuttleworth used to travel to visit the ISS in April 2002. This Soyuz capsule carried both people as well as supplies to and from the ISS. If you look inside this capsule, you can see that it only accommodates 3 people. Okay, so our next stop on our space journey is our space debris or space junk. So space junk is any type of machinery or debris that was left behind by humans in space. It can refer to big objects such as dead satellites. It can refer to big objects such as dead satellites that have failed or that were left behind in orbit at the end of a space mission. It can also refer to small bits of debris such as bits of debris or paintbrush that have fallen off the rocket. If you look behind me, we have the remains of the Delta 11 spacecraft that have landed on Earth and they landed on open farmlands near Worcester, and it only missed Cape Town by 45 kilometers. Okay, and welcome to our last stop on our space journey, and that is the famous suit of Mark Shuttleworth. So this is the exact suit that Mark Shuttleworth wore on his journey to visit the ISS in April 2002. Mark Shuttleworth spent approximately 8 days aboard the ISS, where he conducted scientific experiments for South Africa. He became the first ever African and second ever space tourist. Since he traveled on a Russian spacecraft, he was called a cosmonaut, which is a Russian space traveler. This spacesuit over here is a type of protective clothing that protects astronauts or cosmonauts from space dust in space, as well as provides them oxygen to breathe while they are in the vacuum of space. Okay, and thank you for joining us on our space journey. Hope to see you at the Science Center. Bye.
Things about space are cool and all, but I have had the experience of the camera obscura, and I am now obsessed with how and why light works. Luckily, Jared is here to tell us a little bit more about the way light works, or if you would like to try out one of our puzzles, Zake is on standby with the pyramid tiles.